So this is my next project, the Saturnine Age of Darkness box, and this is what I'm planning to paint up for this year's Armies on Parade. Now the box is amazing, it is stunning, the artwork so it kind of had me hooked, and you can see here there is a lot of plastic in this box. So when you turn it over you'll see what you get on the back and what you're going to get in the box. So you get the Saturnine Dreadnought, one Saturnine Praetor, one Centurion in Mark II power armor, one Arcane quad accelerator platform, 6 Saturnine Terminators, and 40 Legionaries in Mark II power armor. So I want to have a look at this now. So I'm just going to take this nice and carefully. Turn this back over. And let's see what we've got in here. That is a lot of plastic. I've got some fun ahead of me. These are slightly safer than the old measures. It's beautiful. It's a shame. That'll be really useful, especially for a new player. Amazing. Oh, and there's 2. That'll be really useful. And I can't wait to have a good thumb through that. And what else have we got here? Introductory rules. I'm going to need a lot of reading. That's great. Oh, and that's where it's also got the build instructions. It's good to know. And I think I'm planning on Blood Angel, so I'm not going to use any of those. But it's good to know I've got them. Some of those are going to be useful. And there appears to be. There it is. There's the bases. And wow. Guess what that's for. Oh, and that's nice. Get some dice. Okay. That is impressive. I cannot wait to get stuck in.